Morning everybody. So it's going to be an awesome day. We've got a lot happening here today. So we have the start of our modular walls going in. We're very, very excited. Today's the day. It's the moment we've been waiting for. Our retaining wall came down a couple of months ago and we could have had the option of going back to the old brick profile, but we came across the modular wall product purely because we were dealing with Justin from JC Contemporary with our glass fencing. Now, it's Australian made and designed product, and the whole thing about modular walls is it's acoustic sound. So if I really don't want to hear Maddie, I'm on the other side of the wall, which is awesome to me. But basically, we've gone for a Vogue classic profile, haven't we? It's going to give us the same look as our existing wall, so it will actually marry up to it. First step is we're going to be digging out the holes, beams will go in. Tomorrow, then we're going to be inserting the modular walls themselves, and it's really as simple as that.
As you can see behind, we've got the posts already in the ground, ready to go. We'll wait for the concrete to go off and then we can infill with the panelling. I absolutely love this product. For me personally, it is the retaining side of things. We can retain this up to 750. We don't have to put brickwork in and cavity fill it. We can go simply like this, as you've seen.
And for me personally, it's clearly having a bit more of the old meets new vibe.
I can't wait till it's finished. When we get it rendered, I can't wait for you guys to see it. Here we are at the end of our project here in our pool area, and we could not be happier. And one of the most outstanding things that we've got here is the modular wall.
If you said to me probably about 6 months ago that a modular wall could actually change the whole aesthetic of our whole pool area, I probably wouldn't have believed you. But sitting here today with modular wall behind us is really what's made this pool area so grand and so contemporary.
Exactly right. I think at the start we said we needed something to be able to retain, and we wanted something classy and it looks amazing. And so we went down the line of modular walls. So to sit here now and look back at exactly what we've got, the finished product is absolutely amazing, isn't it?
The VogueWall profile that we've chosen with the classic post has not only provided us a contemporary vibe, which is what we are going inside, it's actually married up to the existing build as well. So it's not standing out like an eyesore, it actually feels like it's been here forever. And the most beautiful thing about being on a corner block now is we can't actually hear the traffic. I think we're finally comfortable to say that when we invite our friends around for dinner and drinks, that it's going to be a nice intimate setting, and it's going to be something that our friends will be able to walk away and talk about. It's not just going to be your average pool yard.
And at the end of the day, I think we could be more thankful for what product we've got, isn't it? Because we were so nervous about what we're going to do here, and to get the modular wall in and to get the moods and the settings that we've got, absolutely beautiful.